The great thing about coding agents is it makes it so easy to write code. The bad thing about coding agents is that it makes it so easy to write code. Let's talk today about the implications of agentic engineering on your enterprise's IT estate. Is there a way to keep it under control? Because coding agents are so easy to use, you are going to have non-programmers coming out of the woodwork wanting to write applications for your company. But unleashing coding agents on an enterprise without the right guardrails in place, well, it would be a bit like asking the three little pigs to build one house. You'd have some rooms made out of bricks, other rooms made out of sticks, other rooms made out of straw. There'd be no electrical outlets, none of the plumbing connections would line up. As promising as agentic engineering is, without those right guardrails, you will be buried in an avalanche of AI slop. Inconsistent, insecure, unmaintainable code, all piling up as technical debt. But there is another approach, one that I think could usher in a golden age of enterprise architecture. The good thing about coding agents is that they are very good at following instructions, if they can see them. The issue with enterprise architecture is it's often buried off in some document repository somewhere, or worse, stuck inside people's heads, passed down through hallway conversations and whiteboard sketches. Well, it's time to dust those enterprise architecture guidelines off. Write down what's missing and commit it to a code repository. Think of this as institutional knowledge as code or enterprise architecture as code. What should you write down? Well, everything from your infrastructure guidelines using Terraform and Ansible to your integration patterns with Kafka and API management, and most critically, your security standards, how you store credentials, how you do authentication. Then you need to point the coding agents to those guidelines. For example, IBM Bob lets you define a hierarchical rules directory. Then your enterprise guidelines are applied every time Bob writes code. And by having that in a code repository, you can share those rules across all of your projects. In the end, your coding agents can be the most disciplined builders on your team, ensuring that all of your applications adhere to your enterprise guidelines. A beautifully clean IT estate, safe from the big bad wolf. How are you preparing your enterprise architecture for coding agents? Let me know in the comments below.